Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sit down video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a mini haul. This is going to be a SHEIN kind of like furniture little decor haul. I've done something like this before and love everything. Like seriously, utilization rate of these items are so high. So that's why I want to continue recommending these products for you guys because they're actually good quality, you know? So I'm sure that most of you guys are very familiar with SHEIN. So the first couple of things are in the screen right now, and it's pampas grass. So I've been really wanting pampas grass for a while because, you know, it adds color, it adds some texture into your overall like living environment, you know, whether you live in a house or apartment, whatever, like it fills up the room and it's just like so cute. So I got some pampas from SHEIN. So this is the first one. The rod or whatever, like the branch is like kind of long, so I just kind of curved at the end, but it's like a really cute light pink color. This pink is beautiful. They have so many colors, different lengths to choose from, and I'm pretty sure each one has like 2 pieces or something like that. This is one of them. I'm pretty sure this one comes with 2 pieces, but yeah, they have so many colors, and I'm pretty sure like, you know, most people get like the tan one. Okay, so this is the next one. It has 4 because I think I ordered like 2 of them, but yeah, they all come in packs of 2. Really, really beautiful light pink shade. I love this one so much. Like, I think this one's more of a favorite, but both are super cute. Like, the fluff and texture and just like everything about these is amazing. I don't have too much to talk about. You know, you can see it as is. It just adds so much to your living space, as I mentioned. Like, oh, love it. So I'm gonna put these 2 down and show you guys like some vases. So I actually put this pampas in this vase. So this is the first vase, and I actually just like put the pampas in here, but this is like really, really cute. They have, I'm pretty sure they have like a red one and like a black one and like the white one. So obviously I had to get the white one. So this quality isn't as good as the other ones because this one's like plastic, but the other ones I think are like ceramic or like a little bit heavier of a vase, but I think the shape of this is really cute. It just adds a lot to your living space. We'll leave this in the description box for you guys to check out. All right guys, so the next item I wanted to share with you guys is this. Hands down, one of my favorite things. This feels like such good quality. Again, I think they have a couple of different sizes, colors. There's definitely black and white. You know, I'm pretty sure they might have like a size up, but I think the size is so nice. Like it just, what? So cute. Let me put the pampas in here and see how it looks. Okay, I don't think this is like the cutest. The quality of this is super good. Like out of the 2 vases that I just shared, I say definitely go for this one because yeah, the white is like a crisp white. The quality is great. The shape, I love it. So this is another item that I highly recommend for you guys. Okay, so the next 2 things are also vases. This one is so cute. I actually did put like some other flowers in this, but this is from IKEA, so don't need to plug that, but this is a super cute kind of like gray, white marble. This quality is amazing, guys. Like actually so good. Like you would not expect it to be from here. That type of vibe. Very, very good quality, super heavy duty. Like it feels very heavy, which I love. And just the overall shape and everything, like it's made super well. You know, the edges are very rounded. Like everything about it is like made super well. So I love it. And again, pretty sure lots of sizes, lots of colors to choose from, but the overall shape and style of this vase is so good. And I've just had this thing right now where I just like can't stop buying vases and just like decorative things because it just like brings me joy, you know? So yeah, not about just like putting all my money into clothes now. I'm like very into decor, so. All right, I'm pretty sure I also talked about this in my last video, but I just want to shout it out again because it's so cute. This one is my absolute favorite. Like, look at the shape and everything. I don't put flowers in this because I think it just looks good as is. I love it. It's white and got black specks on it, which I think is so nice. And again, made super well. I think this is like a ceramic. So I did mention this in my last video. I'm not going to talk too much about it, but I do want to link it down below for you guys because everything about this product is so good and I just like highly recommend it. Last item that I wanted to mention with you guys, I got another mirror, which I also mentioned in my previous video, but it's so cute that I had to get another one. It's basically just this mirror. I have the foam on. I'm not gonna take it off because it's gonna, you know, flash, but this is basically like the smaller version of, you know, those big mirrors that a lot of like celebs take outfit pictures in. Basically the smaller miniature kind of like table dresser mirror. So adorable. They have a bunch of different colors. I also have the white one, another pink one, and it just looks so good, guys. this. Like seriously, adorable. You can put this on your dresser and like, you know, when you're putting on your makeup for work or school or, you know, trying on different jewelry, test out your earring or necklace, whatever. Putting on earrings, this will be like the perfect size mirror for that. It's perfect for your room. Like it's so much more unique than just like a plain mirror. So obviously I would rather go for this than just like a random mirror. Like I have like those mirrors with like the lights around it, but that's so, I don't know. It's boring. It's, you know, 烂大街, so we need to get some cute decor, and I think this is perfect. Again, we'll link this down below, and definitely go check it out, guys, because it's so cute. But yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Definitely check these out if you guys are interested. I'll have all the links in the description box for you guys for easy access. Definitely check it out because these items are such good quality, so cute. And yeah, would love to share with you guys more items in the future if I, you know, find any good items like these. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms linked in the description box as well. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.